Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 S550 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath the hood is a V8 bi-turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. Included is the sports package with 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, sports body styling, silk beige espresso brown leather interior with a Designo brown sunburst myrtle wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, warmth and comfort package with heated and cooled seats in the front and the rear, S550 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, comfort box for extra storage, clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the driver's assistance package with blind spot assist. Driver's assistance package also includes Distronic Plus, active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Distronic Plus, Pre-Safe Plus, Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, power windows, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, a Designo brown sunburst myrtle wood and leather steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, climate controls, touchpad for infotainment center, turn wheel for the media display, hard keys for the media display, sports and comforts mode. This S-Pass has 20,322 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.